Hello everyone, welcome back to Joy's Signature channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to achieve this two-side leaf design with your Aso-Oke or with any fabric of your choice. If you're interested in learning how to achieve this, please sit back and watch this video to the very end. A subscriber made a request of this video, and I know it's something you will like and love to watch, so I decided to share it here. So what I have here is 4 pieces of Aso-Oke. Their length is about 14 inches by 6. 14 inches by 6. They are all the same. The 4 Aso-Oke are all the same, okay? So what I did here is I'm gonna put them together and so join them at the middle, 2 to 1, 2 to 1. Okay, I'm going to be joining them at the middle this way. After sewing at the middle, I'll ensure I fold the 2 edges and sew. So this is it. After sewing, I have sewn them 2 by 1, 2 to 1. Okay, and I also sewed the edges. You can see I folded the edges and I sewed properly, neat and good to go. So the next thing I'll be doing is to put them together and ensure that they are together. Okay, ensure that they are together, and I'll start to form a pleat. So the pleat will be formed from this end down to the other side of this Aso-Oke. So in this place, I did not use the normal method we use in forming pleats because I'll be finding it difficult to move the other side since it's 2. So I decided to use this method so I'll ensure that I'm actually moving with the 2 pieces of Aso-Oke. At this point, I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are doing amazingly well. I want to thank you for always coming around my channel. I want to thank you for always viewing my content. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. But please do not stop watching my content. Keep watching, keep learning. And if you are yet to subscribe, like if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you are still wondering what to do, you are yet to subscribe, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. Okay, so I have formed my pleat to this very point. So the next thing to do is to arrange it properly. Okay, make sure your pleats are straight and out. So you hold the middle just the way I'm holding it now. You use your needle and thread, your matching color needle and thread, and stitch it together. So I'll allow you to keep watching and see how I'm doing this now. You stitch you stitch very well, secure it very well to be very tight. Okay, so just keep watching and keep learning. If you are getting value from this video, why not give this video a thumbs up? And if you are yet to subscribe, what are you still waiting for? Please smash the red subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. So after stitching that, the next thing I'll be doing here is to wrap my Alice band. Okay, I don't want to use my Alice band this way. I want to wrap it with this fancy stone. If you also want to wrap your Alice band with your fabric, okay, probably you don't have the stone or you just want to use your Aso-Oke or your fabric of your choice, all you need to do is to check the first video on the description box. I'll be dropping a link to a video that will teach you on how to wrap your Alice band with your fabric. Now back to this business. Here I got this fancy stone from the market, so I cut it out and measure the length of my Alice band. Okay, so the next thing I did was to apply hot glue on the Alice band, and I placed carefully and I continue to add my hot glue, and I continue to wrap the fancy around it. Okay, so the fancy is just a little bit bigger than the Alice band in breadth and in height, so I want you to just keep watching and keep learning. Okay, watch and keep learning. If there is anything you don't understand about this video, I would like you to drop it at the comment section. If there is any video you want me to make or to talk about, I want you to also drop it at the comment section. Okay, feel free to ask your questions if there's nothing you don't understand. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your comments, your questions on the comment section. So keep watching and keep learning. Okay. Having done this, the next thing I will do is to attach my Alice band to my Aso-Oke. So I will use the piece of thread that I use in tacking my Aso-Oke. Okay, I'll just continue with that piece of thread. I won't cut it out. I will use it to wrap the Alice band to the Aso-Oke together. Just keep watching and keep learning. Next thing I did was I got the piece of stone that I used in wrapping my Alice band. I used that same piece of stone. I applied my hot glue on the part that was sewn with needle and thread, so I can cover it up. Okay, so just keep watching. I just applied my hot glue around it, and I use the stones to wrap it up so that the sewn part will not be visible. Keep watching and keep learning. And if you're yet to subscribe, like seriously, you are yet to subscribe, please join and make the family bigger by smashing on the subscribe button, like, share, and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. And this is the final look of this particular design. This is beautiful. Wow, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.